Hi, today we're going to talk about healthcare facility expenses and understand how we can track healthcare facility expenses in one Notion template. First of all, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that the entire screen is visible. Now, jumping back to the template, this is what the template is all about. We have got a category section on the left where we have three different categories defined. For every category, we have got a budgeted expense amount and the actual expenses that is being pulled from the table at the bottom. For the budgeted expense, you can simply click on any of these values and define your own budgeted expense amount. It will automatically be set. And for the changing the category names, click on this pencil icon and you can define your own category if you wish to do so. So I'm going to quickly undo this changes. And if you want to delete any particular category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will delete it. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page. A new category will be added for a use case. As for the expenses, we have defined all the expenses at the bottom. So as you change the expense values, everything gets updated on the top as per the change in the values, and it gets quickly synced with the values that we have at the top. Okay. So this is a quick overview of how you can utilize this template to keep track of healthcare facility expenses. Finally, under the summary section, we can see that it has got the total budgeted expense amount, the actual expenses that has been spent, which is derived from the value over here, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses that has been spent so far. So this is a quick and easy way to take advantage of the healthcare facility expenses tracker for your for tracking the expenses. If you need any customization for this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.